Today, we are diving deep into the universe of one of nature's most powerful plants, rue. Much more than a simple garden herb, Ruta graveolens is a true tool of energetic engineering. It is what we call a hot plant, capable of consuming and transmuting the densest energies that surround us. If you feel your environment is heavy or your mind is clouded, this content was made for you. Act 1. Immediate relief and the limbic system. The first major function of rue is what we call the emergency protocol. You know, those moments when you are bombarded by negative thoughts or after a difficult argument? The aroma of rue acts directly on your limbic system. By smelling the plant, your brain receives an instant alert signal to interrupt the cycle of pessimism. It is an instantaneous reprogramming. If you are in a crisis, rub a leaf between your fingers and breathe in deeply. This brings you back to a state of presence and clarity. Act 2. Shielding against envy. Unlike other plants that only harmonize, rue is active. It works on defense. In the vibrational world, the envy of others only penetrates where it finds resonance or weakness. Rue heats up your energetic field, creating a barrier of determination and self-confidence. When you are vibrating at the frequency of rue, the negative projections of others lose their target, as they no longer find gaps in your personal security. Act 3. The architecture of luck in the home. Where you place your plant determines the filter of your home. In Vibrational Feng Shui, positioning is strategic. At the entrance, placed to the left of those entering, it works as a filter to catch envy and stagnant energies from visitors before they enter your living space. In the bedroom, placing 3 leaves under your bed for 3 days helps cleanse the astral body during sleep. This unblocks the will to live and attracts the energy of luck and pleasure. Act 4. The mystery of the plant's death. Many people get scared when rue dies suddenly, but this is a sign of a mission accomplished. It is a master of detachment. If it withers, it means there was an energetic sacrifice. The plant absorbed a heavy load that would have been directed at you or your family. Thank the plant and remember the law of flow. Rue loves to be shared. Resistance to giving away a cutting or a seedling can stagnate your own prosperity. It flourishes where there is generosity. Act 5. The alchemical ritual, cleansing bath. For a deep cleansing of accumulated energies, the rue bath must be precise. Heat water until the first bubbles appear, but do not let it boil. Turn off the heat and add 3 sprigs of green rue and a handful of rock salt. Cover it for 2 minutes so the essential oils are released. After straining, pour it from the neck down. Feel the temperature of the water consuming the negativity. If possible, do this on a Monday to enhance the opening of paths. Closure and care. Rue is a plant of power, but remember, it is toxic. Usage must be strictly external and energetic. Always keep it out of reach of children and pets. Respect the strength of this green ally and feel the transformation in your vibration. See you next time.